going to show you how to do bird dog. This movement is going to help improve your core stability and body coordination. To begin, we're going to get into a quadruple position on the mat. Your wrist, elbow, shoulder and one line, knees and hips are one line, toes on the mat. We're going to take your left hand up, opposite, right leg up, and return. Switch side. Now when we do a bird dog, you want to make sure that your lower back or your spine is neutral. You want to avoid any shifting. That will place maximum tension onto your core to stabilize your body. If you find this movement is too challenging or that you are moving a lot with momentum, we're going to increase one stability, one contact point, and raise up just the hand. Just the hand, and then we go to your legs. So this is the regression. For progression, we're going to reduce one contact point. So from here, we raise up, you're going to bring up left knees. Switch. Whew. That's a very tough progression. Okay, now as we raise our hands and legs, that's where we exhale. There you have it, bird dog.